In this video, I'm going to show you how to move stop loss in ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you have to do here on your chart, you want to right click, click on buy, and then here we're going to just edit this order, and I'm going to create a stop order over here, and the price is going to be, let's just make it a bit lower over here. Actually, I'll do it manually so it's a bit quicker. There we go. And I'm going to do confirm and then send again. Now, when you do this, it's going to show your stop loss over here on your screen and on your chart as well. And of course, this is going to have its own price. What you can do is basically just click on it and drag it down to wherever you want it to be, and thus move the stop loss. And whenever you release your mouse click, you'll be able to see the order confirmation dialog again, and it's going to say basically the stop has been moved. As you can see over here, you can just click on send again, and then you've successfully moved your stop loss, and even inside your monitor, you'll be able to see the new stop loss over here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.